Hey there. Concerned about account security or just need to update your login? Changing your Schwab online password is a simple, important habit for keeping your assets secure. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to change it. Log into your Schwab account. You'll need your old password. Click on your profile name in the top right and go to Security Settings or Change Password. Enter your current password, then create a new, strong password following Schwab's requirements. Make it unique, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. My crucial pro tip? Use a password manager. Create a long, complex, and completely unique password for Schwab. Let a password manager remember it for you. This is far more secure than using a memorable password that you might reuse on other sites. Just like that, you strengthen the first line of defense for your financial accounts. Do you use a password manager, or do you have another system for secure passwords? Share your best practice in the comments. For more essential security guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.